here we are in the Magic Kingdom, but this time it's a bit different. It's for Mickey's Magical Christmas Party. So as you can see from that Christmas tree in the background, it's going to be a very Christmassy experience. I have to admit, that is an absolutely beautiful Christmas tree. This is actually super nice with the rain. Everything's just got a great glow about it. Time for some apple cider and Christmas cookies.
So this will be my last time in Space Mountain, and Merry Christmas to all of you. Alright guys, so we were so lucky that we just got the front.
So your very last ride in Disney and you get the front seat. Alright! So we just finished on Space Mountain and it was so good. It had red and green lights and it's all lit up and playing Christmas songs. It was so good that we're going to go again.
Yeah, I know.
So let's do it again.
Woo!
Hello and Merry Christmas from us.
Hi.
Hi. How are you, my Joshy?
Yeah, good.
Good now the rain stopped?
Yes, finally I can take off my poncho.
Hey Angie, there's a Christmas tree in a parade behind me.
Oh, look at that.
Loves learning about holiday traditions.
I gotta admit, this whole Christmas thing is pretty great.
Hey everybody, it's the holidays!
Hey,
I heard you've all been good this year. Merry Christmas!
Oh, I know this song.
wow.
That's so cool. Mom has to be crying right now.
Hey, Mommy, are you crying? Yes. Oh, come here. Merry Christmas from Mickey's very Merry Christmas Party.